Using an Uber gift card is a convenient way to pay for your rides, and it can be used in various locations where Uber operates. To get started, you need to have an Uber account and the Uber app installed on your smartphone. First, you need to add the gift card to your Uber account. Open the Uber app and navigate to the payment section, usually found in the menu. Look for the option to add a gift card, and enter the gift card code and the PIN. If required, the gift card balance will be added to your Uber account, and you can use it to pay for your rides. You can use your Uber gift card to pay for Uber rides, Uber Eats, and other Uber services. When you request a ride, the app will automatically use the gift card balance to pay for the ride, if you have sufficient balance. If the ride cost exceeds the gift card balance, you can use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. Uber gift cards can be used in many countries where Uber operates, including the United States, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom. However, it is essential to note that gift cards are non-refundable and cannot be exchanged for cash. To check the balance of your Uber gift card, open the Uber app, navigate to the payment section, and look for the gift card balance. You can also check the balance by visiting the Uber website and signing into your account. When using an Uber gift card, make sure to keep track of the balance and use it before it expires. It is also a good idea to combine your gift card balance with other payment methods, such as a credit or debit card, to ensure you have sufficient funds for your rides. In summary, using an Uber gift card is a straightforward process. Add the gift card to your Uber account, use it to pay for your rides, and keep track of the balance. With an Uber gift card, you can enjoy convenient and hassle-free rides, and it makes a great gift for friends and family who use Uber frequently.